A very joyous hello to all our viewers. In this video, we're going to discuss about software testing and a couple of major topics associated with it. Before starting, I would like to share a very helpful tip or a note with you all. I always try to create maximum of my videos, I mean, whichever are possible, in a dual manner. That is, both as a podcast and as a video. So let's suppose even if you're going for a walk or a jog, you can simply plug in your earphones and listen what I say, and the complete video or the complete content will make sense to you. So I hope this particular initiative of mine helps you in learning very fast and even without any other giving thought to any other nuances. So before wasting any further time, let's start. Now, what is software testing? Now, generally, if you go ahead and if you Google the definition of software testing, it would be somewhere like that you can see on the screen. So it says ISTQB defines software testing as a way to assess the quality of the software and to reduce the risk of software failure in operation. Right now, this definition in itself might be a bit technical, especially for people who are new to this industry. So I feel that there are definitions on the internet, but not all of them are very simple and easy to understand. So I have tried to decode that definition from my end. So as you can see on the screen, it says the software testing is all about breaking a working system with valid scenarios. That is it. For example, when a developer builds a particular functionality, before deploying or before sending that particular functionality to the end user, there is a QA team in between, there is a quality team in between which tests the built product, and if there are issues, it tells to the development team and fix and retest and then sends it to the end users, right? What it does, basically, it enhances the user's experience to a lot. The bugs and other problems get reduced to a lot. So that is the basic definition of what a software tester does. Now, every domain will have a couple of quick facts associated with it. So I would like to read, I have jotted down three of the major pointers associated with the testing domain. The first one is testing is not only limited to software, rather, every organization usually has a dedicated quality department. So do not think that testing is only and only limited to the software industry. No, any industry, right from automobile up to manufacturing or anything, will have a quality department. Number two, software testing market size is currently valued at 40 billion US dollars, which implies huge potential. So if an industry has this much size of the market or this much potential, of course there is a lot of growth anticipated in this particular field. Number three, software testers remain independent of technology stack, which in turn enhances the opportunities. What do I mean by it? So, for example, there is a website. One is developed in the PHP technology, one is developed in the Node.js technology. Now, the developers will have to learn the technology separately, right? But you, as a QA consultant, are not bound by that. You will test in the same manner as you do on the on website one or on website two. So that gives you a lot of versatility. So that is a very beautiful point about the testing domain. Now, let's jump on to the next part, which says what goes wrong if testing is skipped. There are three pointers, but I will first give an example, a more practical example, and then all these three pointers will be covered in that. Let's suppose, if I don't know if you have heard or not, but let's suppose that there is a very bad uh, reputation of the car Baleno by Nexa in the market, uh, uh, because because of the crash rating, which is close to zero. It is highly insecure. So uh, nowadays what is happening is that people are refraining from buying more Baleno units, right? Now, as a result of this particular problem, what happens is that the company will have to again take back that product, work on it, and spend more on marketing to make people believe that we have fixed this problem and it's no more insecure. Now, what what are the results or implications of the testing going wrong or it getting skipped? First of all, the brand reputation reduced drastically because people do not trust Baleno or other cars by Nexa anymore. As a result of this, the users are dissatisfied, and since the product has to be taken back and it has to be it has to be worked upon again, spending on the salaries again, spending on the same product again, then marketing again to prove that this product is no more insecure. That increases the expenses to a great extent, right? So these three things, these three major problems occur when the testing is skipped. So that is the criticality of testing in any field. I hope that this particular example helps you. Then the last pointer is major types of testing. Now, testing in general is, there are a lot of wrong notions associated that anyone can test, and testing is a general field. It's completely wrong, because testing in itself will have a lot of verticals. For example, one is functional, one is performance, the other is security, integration, automation, and there are three to four major testing domains apart from that as well. Now, uh, of course, what these are and what are the aspirations and everything is something that can be created in other videos. But one thing is for sure, that once someone asks you that what are the different types of testings, you can simply say these list that I just shared with you, and there is a lot of potential to grow in each and every vertical. So all in all, this is a quick video, and this was all about talking in detail regarding software testing and a couple of major pointers associated with it. If you have any more doubts, any questions, any suggestions for us, please share on the comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe to Tech and More for more relevant videos. Thank you.